Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am very excited to share the best Wordpress tutorial with you. In this tutorial, we will create a fully functional quiz website. We will cover everything from creating the quizzes in various categories, adding questions, enabling certificate downloads and more. Users will be able to register, play quizzes and see their scores on a global leaderboard that highlights the top scorer. So let's dive right into the preview. Okay. So this is the website that we are going to build in this tutorial, and the theme I set here is a dark theme. Okay, and you can see the color combination of the website. I just pick up the two colors and use some gradients tag. Okay, now let me introduce some features of this website. So let's start from this header. At the header we have this navigation menu. As you can see here, we have home, FAQ, blog, logout. At the center I placed a logo of this website, and in this account, if I hover, you will see two options, logout and my account. So inside this my account you will see all your quiz details. Okay, and beside you will see a button. So when I click on this button, a pop-up will appear, will show some quiz options like MCQ, true or false, identify image and fill in the blanks. Okay, just click on it. It will redirect you to this particular quiz game. Okay, just close it, and here you will see a nice art design which is created for this website, and the welcome message, text, and below the again start quiz button. Okay, so it will open this pop-up again, and just below you will see the global leaderboard. So this leaderboard shows the top scorers of the quiz game. So when the user just register on this website and play some quizzes, okay, he should pass that particular quiz whatever he playing. So whenever he scores the highest, whenever he grabs the highest marks, his name will appear here. As you can see, these are some demo users I have registered on this website and played some quiz games. And also you will see the score, duration, how long he played the quiz. Okay, and also the points, how much he gained. And here you can just filter out the results options from here. You can search the user, and at the bottom we have this navigation bar. Okay, so I just gave here a leaderboard, and you will see there is nothing on this home page, and at the bottom you will see this simple footer showing this image, the about us para, some social links, and the subscribe form, and this privacy policy links, and at the end you will see this copyright text. Okay, now I will show you the my account page. Okay, so how this account, just click on this my account. After that you will see your name, and here I have listed the quiz tables for each quiz, like a GK quiz, fill in the blanks, true false, and this identify image quiz. As you can see, this table contains the two rows. Okay, so basically it shows the quiz that I have played, the date, okay, and the end date, and the duration, how long I played, and the score, and the points I gain. Okay, so when you click on these details, you will have the more details about this quiz. Also you can export this to PDF. Okay, right now in this quiz it shows blank because I haven't played this type of quiz yet, so that's why it's showing blank. Same with this true and false quiz. And you can see here identify image showing 3 to 5 entries. Okay, so right now here in the certificate column you will see download button. So basically this is the certificate that I have obtained by passing this quiz. Okay, you can see my score 100%, and I got 5 points. It means I scored almost all the points in this quiz. So when I click on this download button, our certificate will be downloaded. Okay, and if you open it, you will see the certificate of completion. This is the name of the user. Okay, and here I have some text, and this is the quiz name and the score, and this is the date where we play this quiz. So in this way we are going to design our certificate. Okay, so basically we have a lot of templates available, okay, in this quiz plugin. So we have to just select the best one and it will appear over here. Okay, now, and the rest of the things are same. Okay, so this is the my account page I have designed in this way. Now we'll start a quiz and I will show you how our workspace looks like. Okay, so click on this start quiz, and right now I'm showing you playing this identify image quiz. Okay, because I know all the answers of this quiz, so just click on it and it will be redirect to this particular quiz page and it will look like this. Okay, I placed here a sticky ad so that if you got the maximum impressions to your ad, it will earn a lot of money. Okay, so here you can read the instructions. I have added the instruction how to play and this. Okay, now let's click on the start button. So this is the quiz which is identify image, so we have to identify the image. Okay, and here you will see the time. Whenever the time goes off, it will stop the quiz. Okay, now we are unable to click this option as our timer goes off, so we have to just follow some rules. We have to answer the question under the timeline. So right now I'm going to click on the next button. We will solve the next question. Okay, so this is the last question, so let's see what's the result is going to be. Okay, so we have just passed the quiz and we got 4 out of 5. Also you can share your friends using these social networks. And this was the first question that we haven't answered. Here you can see you have not answered this question. Okay, now we have just solved this quiz. Now go to this account and you will see an entry. This is an entry. Okay, you can see the date, 1 minute, 80% score, and I got these 4 points, and I think I have said the certificate for the top scorer means we have to just obtain the high score, almost out of. Okay, so we have not this certificate, we just lost this certificate. Okay, so we will not get this certificate over here. Okay, so in this way this quiz website works. So for the different keys you can add a different rules and regulations over there. If you want to set the minimum passing marks, you can set that, and if you want to give certificate at the particular number of marks or the points, then you can also set that. Okay, so basically this website is very easy to build, but it's very tough to understand the plugin that I'm going to use to build this kind of website. Okay, so I will explain you all of the things from the scratch. Okay, so without wasting any time, we will start our tutorial. So let's head toward the dashboard. Okay, so the very first is to set up our WordPress environment. So first of all, we will install our basic theme. Go to Appearance Themes, click on Add New, and select the theme that you like. I will use here Ocean WP. Click on Activate. Okay, after that we will install the plugins that we will require in this website. So the first plugin is Elementor. Click on install. Okay, after that you will search for not search, I will upload a plugin which is Pro Elements. I will place all the links in a blog section. Okay, you have to just visit my website and go to the blog and you will get all the downloadable contents. I will uninstall it. I will install the remaining plugins. The next plugin is premium add-ons. Click on install. The next plugin is quiz. I will install first ultimate member. We will use this plugin to create a login and register forms. So this is the ultimate member plugin by ultimate member. Just click on install now. Now the final plugin is our quiz maker. So I will upload this file. Okay, go to plugin installer. So we have installed all the plugins required for this website. Now go to install plugins. We will activate them one by one, or we'll activate them once. Okay, so first I will install this activate. I will activate this Elementor plugin. Then I will select this Pro Elements, Quiz Maker and Ultimate Member. Just select the bulk options and click on activate. Okay, so our all plugins are activated. Now we will move to the next step, which is adding some pages. Okay, so go to pages, click on add new page. The first page is home. Select template type to Elementor full width. Click on publish. Second page is blog. Third is a FAQ. So it's very necessary to add the pages first so that we can create our menus. Now go to ultimate member. Here go to settings and you will see the user page, create default. Click on this create default. Okay, also this login page, click on create default. This register page as well. So whatever the page you need, you have to create the first default pages. Okay, I don't want this member page, also not logout page. We want this account page. Okay, so create the account page, and the final we need password reset page. So we have all these pages for the ultimate member. If you go to pages, you will see this login, password reset, registered and user. Okay, so the benefit of creating this page is that we can easily design these pages, okay, by our preferences. Okay, so now we'll create some menus for our website. Now go to appearance, go to menus, and we'll create the first one, which is main menu. This is main. In it we have to add home, blog, FAQ. Also we can add the logout. Okay, click on save. We have to add first and click on save. Okay, now we have to change the home page. So go to this appearance, customize, and we'll also change the color of the website. From here, first we'll just disable these title. So go to general options, from there page title, select hide on all devices. And let's change the home page. Under these home page settings, select the static, just select the home page, home. Okay, that's it. Now we have to hide this top bar. To hide that top bar, go to header, sorry, we have this top bar, and just uncheck this enable top bar. Okay, now we have to change the background color. For that, go to general options, general settings. Okay, not settings, we have to general styling. From here, background color, we have to just change the background color. Copy the Xcode and paste over here. Okay, so we almost change your background color. So either you can just select these primary colors. So let me select the color from here. Okay, I will leave these options as it is. We will set the colors in our elementor. Now click on publish. Let's just close this tab. Now let's check your website. So it will look like this. Now we have to remove this header, and we will build our header using theme builder. So go to the elementor, templates, theme builder, and select the header. Close this window and also this. Okay, now go to the settings. From the style, change the background color. Okay, after that, so let me open the original website. So we have here the 3 columns. The first one for these menu items, the second column is for this logo, and third column is for these items. Okay, so we have to create the 3 columns. So I will place the container here. Again the container. Now I will duplicate this column in 3 times. So first select this main container, change its direction to row horizontal. Okay, now search for the name, the mega menu. So let's change its alignment to left. Change its color to white. Now we will set our global colors. Okay, we don't want the dark color. Okay, just click on update. Under this menu item style, we'll change its color to white, and I will add this new global color in our list, and also the hover color and active color as well. I will change let's change typography to 18. We'll increase the size a little bit. If you observe that we have this bottom line or bottom bar, you can say, we have to remove that bottom bar. For that, go to customize. Under this header, here you will see header border bottom. Just uncheck it and click on publish. I will keep it as a 18. Okay. Okay, we just made some settings for the desktop view. Also we have the settings for the mobile as well. Okay, so let me show you. When I enter in this mobile view, we have this drop down. Okay, so we don't need this drop down effect. We want this sidebar. Okay, so when I click on this menu item, the sidebar will open showing the menu icons. Okay, menu items. So here we have menu settings. Okay, from this layout, right now it is horizontal. We have to click here slide. So when I click on this menu icon, a slider will open like this. Okay, right now we have to change some styling settings for this mobile view. Okay, we will make this background dark and we'll keep the menu items white. Okay, so let's first arrange these menu item. We'll change this in this tablet view. Okay, so first let me shift this to the left hand side. And if you want to hide the icon, you can do that. And it will show only this text menu. Okay, so right now I'm going to show this text menu, change its color. So go to style and here expandable slide menu style. Here we have icon and here we have text. So select the text, change the color. I will first select the icon font family as a team. Okay, and text size will be 16, 17. Okay, change the color to white. Now we have to change some colors for this slide background. We have to set the dark color. For that we have this background color. Now select the background color that we have set for this website. So right now we don't added this color in our global colors list, so I will add it first. Okay, so this is for the desktop view, and if you change to the tablet, you will see this menu. Okay, so when I click on it, it will open a drop down. Okay, so we have to set one setting here. So under this drop down menu style, not in style, just go to content, this display condition, and here you will see mobile menu settings. So we have to set here a slide instead of expand. Okay, now click on it, so it will slide in this way. Okay, so let's change the color for this. So right now we already changed the color, so it's not showing here. So let me create the menu for the desktop view first. Okay, then we'll switch to the tablet view and the mobile view. So we have the menu items in the first column. In the second, we have to add the logo. So I will select from here the side logo. Right now it is not set, so I will set that logo first inside the customize. And publish it. After that I am going to publish this header and we will refresh it. Okay, conditions to enter site. So we have our logo over here. Okay, now we'll set the size for this logo. Okay, in the second column we have this account item and this squeeze button. Okay, so first let's create the second menu for the account. So right now for these two options we have to set up our ultimate member plugin. Okay, so first of all create the menu. So go to menus, and here we will create the second menu, which is account menu. Okay, from there we will select. So right now it's a default account page in our website. In this website I have created this customize. Okay, so we have to create this page separately. In that we will add the shortcodes from the quiz plugin. Okay, so for now I'm going to add this account page and registered and login. Okay, so we have to show this account page for the login users and this login option for the logout users. Okay, and this login and register option for the new users or logout users. Okay, so that just open this login, and here you will see who can see this menu link. Okay, so in this case I will show this login for the logout users. Okay, after that they registered. This will also be the same for the logout users. Okay, after that this account. So right now I will show this account for everyone. So when we create the new page for this my score or the my account, I will show you how to add this page over here. Okay, so let's click on the save menu. Okay, now update it and just refresh this once. Okay, we have to do one thing here. Select account. I will create a custom link, which is, so what have you here, my account. Okay, account and hashtag. Okay, I will make these all three items to sub items. Okay, under this account link. Now just click on save menu. Again refresh it once. Search for the name. This time you can either use this mega menu or the WordPress menu directly. Okay, so if you choose this WordPress menu, we will have the menu like this. Okay, or if you want to use this mega menu from the premium add-ons, it will look like this. I will select this account menu. Okay, so it will drop down like this. Okay, so I'm going to use this mega menu. Now let's set up this style this menu, or you can directly just delete it and just copy this menu Okay, previously we already styled this menu, so we don't want to do this thing again. Okay, paste over here and select the menu from here. Okay, so we have to make some changes over here, like we have to change this arrow color as well, and this hover color. Okay, and also we'll make the background curve rounds. Okay, so select it and go to style. Under this menu item style, this drop down icon color, we will select it white. On hover, it will goes to primary color. Okay, and also active color to this primary color. Now under this menu item icon and badge, so here we don't need to change anything. Under this sub menu style, so we are going to use here the simple panel. For that, just set the background type to. Right now it is very confusing plugin actually, so you have to find the options for the each function, like mega menu. Okay, or like the menu that slides from the right side. Okay, so you will find the separate things for the each menu items or the menus. Okay, so I will just background to this, and color will be like this. So let me see. So we just change this color to like this. Let me select it. Okay, and I will select the hover color. Also we set the border radius to 5. Click on the sub menu item style. Under it, we have to change the normal color to white. Okay, and let's change the typography first. And they will drop down icon. Okay, so we have to change the hover color for this background. We'll make it transparent like this. Okay, that's it. So we have our account is ready. Now we'll make it the direction to row horizontal, so we have to adjust the button at this right hand side. So just search for the button, and shift these items to end. Make it vertically center. Okay, now let's design this button. So here I will type start quiz. Go to style, border radius to something 5, change typography to TM, and let's change the color to gradient type. First color will be this, and the second will be second. Okay, give the angle to 45 degree. So our button is ready now. Okay, now let's move to the responsive mode. So it's good at the tablet view, so I will keep the account as it is. So I will just remove that breakpoint here I will keep it. $19.20. Okay. Okay, I will break it at 400. Let's move this. Okay, so it's set in this tablet. Now let's move to the mobile view. So right now we are going to keep only this menu and this logo, so it will be hide. Select this column, go to advanced, under responsive, hide this menu. Okay, now select this column and reduce the width so that this logo will fit in line with this menu item. Okay, let's reduce the size of this logo. Okay, so it's ready for the mobile view. Okay, when you click on this item it will show, and we have to just style this hover effect. Right now it's not showing nothing when I hover. So see this and this item account. Okay, so in the mobile view we are going to show these accounts like my score and the leaderboard. Okay, so that's why we need to hide this in this mobile view. Okay, so let's update it. Preview our website. As we set the conditions for visibility for these menu items. Okay, so the rest, the two accounts are not showing, two options are not shown as we invisible them when the user is logged in. Let me show you in the incognito mode. Okay, right now no one is login or registered on this website, so when I click over you will see all the options. So we have to just hide this account option when the user is not logged in. Okay, we have to just keep these two options, either he can log in to website or register if he is new. So let's hide that option too. So we are doing this for the example purpose. Later we will create the new page for the account. Okay, and we will set up that instead. Okay, so let me show you first everyone. So I will only for the login users. Okay, save menu. Now let's refresh it and you will see that account is not visible over here. Okay, so we almost finalized our header. So right now when you click on this login, you will see the default form of the ultimate member plugin. Okay, so right now the next step, we will create the login page, the register page, and the password reset page. Okay, then later we'll start creating our quiz. Okay, so first let's design this login page. Head toward this ultimate member plugin, not plugin, go inside these pages. So we have created default pages for that. Here you will see this login. Okay, click on edit in new tab. Now it's in classic, showing the shortcode of this ultimate member plugin. Okay, so right now I will change its template to full width and edit with elementor. So right now we don't want this, we want actually, so I will keep this shortcut as it is over here. So let's create the, now drag and drop the container. Okay, and this time I will change the template type. Go to the settings and select here elementor canvas. We actually want the full screen, so we have to set the background image. Okay, so no header or the footer will appear in this page. Select this container, and here is the minimum height is px. So let me copy this code. I will paste this code in the notepad. Not decode, it's a shortcut actually. I will close this. Okay, under this minimum height, select the vh and make it 100. Okay, now let's change the background color for this page. So what the background color is, so we have the background color like this. Okay, actually it's an image. We have to make our login page like this. Okay, so it's very simple. First we'll change the background image. I will change the background type to gradient first. Okay, after that I will change the background overlay to that image. Let's adjust it. Okay, so add the container. Okay, and change the background for this container. First let's change the padding to 20. Okay, and I change the background color. I will also change the border radius to 10. Okay, now we will add a container again over here. So set the direction of this first container to row horizontal and duplicate this column. In the first column, let's add the design art. So we'll set the title. let's style this text and set text size to 30. Okay, let's reduce this, let's make it 26. Again duplicate it, and this time the text will be change the color to white, make it 20. Okay, now at this right hand side we have to show this form. So basically it will come from the shortcut as well itself. Okay, and also it will come this forget your password. We will set our login form first. Okay, so before adding the shortcut, let's configure our login form from the ultimate member. Just go to the ultimate member, from there forms. So we have this default login form, click on edit, and under this we have two fields to, so we have the two fields, one is the username or email and second one is the password. So if you want to add more, you can select the fields. So just click on username or email, edit, click on here. From there we don't have to show the label. Okay, instead this label we have to show inside this placeholder. Okay, and a privacy label, and click on update. Similarly with it, I don't want to show the label, I want to show this as a placeholder. Okay, click on update. So here we have the option customize this form. So right now it's in is set to no, just click on yes. Okay, from here you can set the maximum width like 450 px, its default value. Okay, field icons, so I will select here show inside text field. Okay, primary button login, so I will also click and show the secondary button. Okay, which will be register, and here the show forward password link I will keep at yes, and also here show remember me. If you want to keep this option on that login form, then make it yes, otherwise keep it as a no. Okay, and after the login you can set the default page. So right now I will redirect to URL. The URL will be our website. Okay, website URL, click on update. Now copy this shortcut, paste in this column. Okay, click on update, and let's make it applied. So right now it's showing in this way because I already log in. Okay, so I will show you the exact view. Make it 50. Okay, click on update, and just go to the pages. We have this login form, just copy the link and open the incognito mode. So we have this login form. Okay, So here we have to add one thing over here, which is we have to change the color first of this login button. Okay, and we'll keep this register as it is. Okay, in the previous website I haven't show this register page, so I will also not show in this form. So let's add the things. So in this website, let me show you. I haven't added. Okay, I haven't read the register page, and you will see here forward your password, and this takes not a member yet. Okay, so let's do that. First change the color for this login. For that we have to add some customized code inside the additional CSS. To find the corresponding CSS classes, just right click on this button, click on inspect, just find the class name for this button and change the color. Okay, so right now I will not do these things. I already done in this website, so I will just copy that code and will paste in the website. All the download by contents will be available in the blog section. Either it will be a design or the code or the anything else. Okay, you will get over there. So let's add them. Let me open the blog. Here this you will find the complete customized CSS code. Okay, so you have to just copy this code and paste in this additional CSS. Okay, so here I have to give one suggestion that if you are creating the website in the dark mode, just you will need this code to be copied in that additional CSS. Or if you are creating the theme using this default white theme, okay, so you don't need this additional CSS. But if you want to change the colors and all, you will find all the codes over here. Okay, so right now I will copy this. Okay, and go to appearance, the customize, and paste here. Okay, so let me open this in the real time. Go to customize. Right now I am already signed in, so it will not show those fields, so I will directly paste over here. Okay, and publish it. Now let's check it. As you can see, the color of this button has been changed, and also the text of this forward password is changed to white color. So right now I'm going to remove this register option. Okay, so for that we need to go inside this ultimate member, go to forms, select this default plugin, and here we did a yes to show the secondary button. Let's change it to no. Okay, and update it. Now let's check it. So it's showing like this. Okay, we have to add this text, not a member yet, and the register button. Okay, so let's do that. Also we just did a little. Okay, click on update and just copy this text, paste it under this style, make it a little bit smaller, or you can just keep it as it is. Okay, copy this text. Okay, we have to add a container over here, so we have 2 columns. Change direction to horizontal. Also remove the margin from top. And make it underline. Just duplicate it. So text change to text to register. Make it bold. Okay. So not we have to don't give the underline to this text. And also make it center. Okay, not this. Okay, now let's check the preview. The size of this text looking so small. Okay, let's make it bigger. So increase the padding to 30. And also reduce the margin from the top. Okay, now it looks good. Okay, so let's add the animation. Enters animation actually. Click on this column. Under the advanced, go to motion effects, and here default is animation 2. I will use the bounce in down and fast. I'll give it to font 600. Okay. You can apply any animations to your pages. Okay. So this register button will have the link of the register page. Right now we don't have created that page or design, so we'll move to designing the register page. Okay, so let's start designing our register page. So again go to pages, and there you will find a page for the register. So here is that page. Just click on edit. Okay, and I will change the template to elementor canvas. Okay, now update it and refresh. Sorry, open with elementor. So just remove it. We don't want this right now. Okay, so I will copy the exact interface of the login inside this register page. So I will open the login page that we have created previously. Okay, I will copy this whole container and paste here. Okay, so here we have to change some things, like we don't want this form over here. Okay, and let me open my previous website. So this is the register page. Okay, so the things will be we have to change some text and this form. Okay, instead of login we have to put shortcut for this register page. Okay, for that I will remove this, not the shortcut. I will copy the shortcut of the register page. For that we have to configure the register form in the elementor plugin. So go to these forms under the ultimate member, and here we have default registration. Click on it, and first make this customize this form, yes. Okay, and here change some things like primary button register. I don't have to show the secondary button like login. So if you want to show the privacy policy form, then you can keep this option yes, otherwise keep it as a none. Okay, and these are the fields that comes with this register form, like username, first name, last name. Okay, I don't want this last name, so I will remove that, and we have email address and password. Okay, so after that just update it and copy this shortcut. Instead of this login, I will paste the shortcut from the register page. Okay, so it's saying already registered, as we are already user of this website. So I will keep this as it is. So let's change the text for this. So here is our registered form. So you can see the form is looking so bigger in height. That's because these labels are just outside of this field. So we have to just bound this label inside the field. So go to the form, and here just click on the username. Just cut this and make inside this placeholder. Okay, and click on update. Now let's check our form. Now it looks good. So we have to just assign the login connect login page to this login button. For that it's very simple. Just go to the register page, and I will use the dynamic tags instead of the link. So under this internal link, and here select the content and search for the page which is login. Okay, click on update. Now if you reload it and just click on the login, a login form will appear. Again we have to interlink the register page with this button or text. Okay, so go to this login page and select the register, click on dynamic tags, select the internal link, and select the content. From there search for the page which is register. Okay, click on update. So when I click on the register button, the register page will appear. Okay, or form will appear. So in this way you can create your login or register form. Now we have created the register form. Now let's design our password reset page. Okay, so when someone click on this reset page, it will go to the reset page like this. Okay, right now it's showing like this. We'll design our page. to look like this. Okay, so let's begin it. Again we have just created the default page for this password reset. Open it. And set the template to canvas. Click on update and edit with elementor. Okay, so here we have the password reset form. Right now I will just copy its shortcut. I will just paste it somewhere. Okay, now close it. I will copy the whole container from here, paste over here. Okay, so it's pasted. Now I will change the design first. The design is different on this page. It is something like this, and I will copy the text from here. Reset your password. And here to continue. And I will paste that shortcut over here. And we don't want these things. Now click on update. Now let's check the preview. Okay, so our password reset page is ready. So we almost created the login page, the register page, and the password reset page. Now we have to create the custom account page or MyScore page. Okay, as you can see here, if I visit the website, we have this. Right now I'm going to log in it here. So here we have my account page. Inside it you will see my name here. Okay, so right now I will create this page. Okay, but we don't have the enough data to show in this page, like these quiz categories. We haven't created any quizzes in our website, so that's why we will create this account page later after doing these things. Okay, so right now we will move towards creating our quiz in the quiz plugin. Okay, so let's move on to the dashboard. To create the quiz, I have installed this quiz maker. Okay, and just go inside it. To create this quiz, first of all you will need to here you will see the by default category, by default quiz, which is a mathematics quiz. Just delete it. We will create the from the scratch. Okay, so under you will see here the quizzes. Okay, the quizzes, the questions, and the quiz categories. Okay, so these three options are important for us. Okay, rest of things are not much valuable for this type of website. Okay, so under these quizzes we have here add new button, but before that we have to create some quiz categories. So click on the quiz categories. Right now there are no categories in this quiz, so let's create the categories. So the very first category is that, so I will just take the reference of this website. The first category is a GK quiz, so click on the add new, and here type GK quiz, and here we have to add some description. So I will use the reference from the previous website, so I will copy exactly from the data. Okay, so here we have GK quiz. So this is the first quiz, and just you can copy the description from here, or just go inside the ChatGPT and write there. Okay, paste here the description and check out this as a publish. Okay, now save and close. Right now I will show you the okay, so our first category is ready. After that we have to add the questions for these categories. Okay, for that just go to questions, and there you will find. Okay, so here are some default questions. Let's delete these questions. Okay, we have to add the new questions, so click on add new, and here we have the interface for adding the questions. Right now we have this general option. Under this you can see the question, and you can also add the image. Okay, if your quiz has image, you can add it from here right now. And this is the some description if you want to type here. So let me show you what I have written in this place. So let me open the quiz first. Now this is a GK quiz. Under it I will copy the questions from here. So this is the question: who was the first president of United States? Okay, so I will copy this first question. If you want to find some questions, then you can go to the ChatGPT, ask them to generate some questions about the GK, so they will give you. So he will give you definitely questions with the answer and the explanations. Okay, so here we have the question place. Just paste here the question, and here is the main type, which is a question type. Right now if you want to show the multiple options like checkbox, okay, so the users can easily check these boxes, either text, either short number, date, custom banner, true or false, fill in the blanks or match. Okay, so here we have so here in this case we have to give 4 options. Okay, so from there just select any one for the correct answer. So click on the radio, and here we have first A. Okay, so let me check what is the first A. So here we have the 4 options A, B, C, D. Okay, so you have to just type the 4 options over here in the first A. Okay, and in the second row we have this second, which is B. So copy the B and paste. The third we have C. Copy the C and paste here, and the last one is D. So if the row is incomplete, just you can add over here. Just click on add. Okay, not here, add answer. Okay, so last we have D. I will copy the 4th option from here. Okay, so the answer of this question is George Washington. Okay, here, so that we have to give the weight or point to 1. Okay, so that it will help to calculate the marks, okay, at the end of the test or the quiz. So just mark the 1, or also you can give 2, 3, whatever you want to give to the correct answer. Okay, so when the user will correct the answer, we click the correct answer, he will get 1 point or mark. Okay, so this is the meaning of this weight and point. So similarly you have to create the number of questions for this GK quiz. Okay, first category, which is GK categories, and if you scroll below you will see here question category. So we haven't created any categories for the question, so just let it go. And at the last we have this question title. You have to copy this question title at this place. Okay, that's it. So this is the first for the general. Okay, this was for the general settings. Now go to the settings, and after that you will see here you can add the background image just below the question from here, and also you can add the user answer explanation, so the user can give the explanation. Right now I am going to disable it. Okay, and here we can give the question hint. So if I go to the settings, here we can find the question hint. Now I am going to copy this and paste here. Okay, at the end of the result, the question that will appear that appears in the list will have some details, okay, so that user or the student can understand that question easily. Okay, if the user or the student give the wrong answer, then he can understand the explanation of that question. Okay, he will get all the information related to that question with their explanation. Okay, so it's a very it's very beneficial for the users. Okay, so this is the explanation. And message for the wrong answer, simply message for wrong answer is that's not quite right, and the message for the right answer is it's a right answer. Okay, and just keep this thing as blank. Okay, so this was for the settings. Now just save. Okay, we just okay, we have to select. Sorry, here you will see this radio button under this correct. Just select the correct option. Okay, now save this question. So our first question is ready. Now we have to create a quiz. So go inside this quizzes, and from there click on add new quiz and give a name to the quiz, so which is general knowledge. Whatever the name you have to give, you can give here. Okay, general knowledge quiz. So this is the tricky one, so just focus on this part. Okay, we have to make some settings over here, like certificates. Okay, to calculate the results and much more. So please focus on this part. And also you can give the quiz image from here and add description over here. I will copy the description. Okay, so this is the description, as you can see here. Here, so this kind of description you can give over here. Okay, and mention the total questions, the passing marks required. Okay, and also you can give the timer. So this is the description that you have to write in this place. I will copy it as it is, and we have to select the quiz category from here. So this is the quiz, GK quiz. Okay, and if you want to create the post, you can check here, but right now just uncheck this, and here just below you will see insert options. We have to add the questions for this quiz, so click on insert options. Here select the first question, because we have created the only one question in the database, so click on insert questions. Okay, now, so this was the first part. Okay, now click on styles. From here, this is the style that how the question will appear on the page. Okay, so right now select this dark, or either you can also select the light. Okay, and from here you can give the animation effect like this. Okay, and here the quiz color, I will just copy everything from the previous website. Okay, so here we have the quiz color like this. We have the background color. Let's change here. Okay, so everything will appear in this window. Okay, so whatever will change over here, it will reflect to this panel. Also we have to change text color is ready, button text color is also good, and okay, this is the quiz title formation, so I will keep it capitalized, and if you want to add the box shadow color, from there you can also add here. Okay, and there are a lot of settings for this quiz, but I will show you the selected settings that I have done in my website. So where is the gradient color? Actually I am finding for the gradient, this type of gradient color. Okay, quiz background gradient, sorry, this was for background image. Okay, so here quiz background gradient over here. Okay, just click on it and I will select the first color, and the second color, okay. So we almost have our required result. Okay, so there are nothing to do over here right now. So if you want to experience the other setting as well, you can do by your own. Now let's click on the so you can set the right or wrong answer icons from here. Is it by default selected as okay, I will select this. Okay, you can set the button sizes from here and a lot. You can also add the custom CSS. So just I will save it. So this is for the styles. Now go to the settings, and here I will use the enable timer. Okay, so here we have two options. The first one, timer for the quiz timer, and the second one for the question timer. Okay, the difference between the two timers are this is the quiz timer for the whole quiz, and this is only for the question timer. So like I told you at the preview of the website, the timer was 15 seconds. Okay, you can set the timer for the question like 15 seconds or 20 seconds. So I will set it to 15 seconds. Once the timer gets off, your question will be skipped. Okay, and also you can store the message before the timer. So here I have set the time. Click on settings. You are almost out of time to complete the quiz. Okay, this is the message you can give, and also you can give the message before starting the quiz, but okay, so I didn't write anything over here, and the message of the timer ends, you can write here the timer has ended. Okay, etc etc. You can write message. Just scroll below, and here we don't want to check anything from here, and also show the correct answers. Display all questions on the page. Okay, and make the questions required. Show question explanation on the result page. Okay, and questions numbering will be like this. You can set anything from here, and this is the payment type. This is the different thing, and enable next button, enable previous button. Okay, and also enable this finish button, and also just make sure that it's unchecked, it is checked to confirm the box for the finish button. Okay, otherwise it will directly finish that quiz. Okay, and also you can give the background music from here. Okay, so I have not implemented this function in my website, so everything was good. Click on save. Now let's move on to the next setting, which is results setting. So I will calculate this score by the weight or points, not the correctness. I will not edit them after submission, and from there display score will be by weight or points. I will enable this progress bar, also restart button, also show the questions results on the result page. I will now show this average, and will show the social buttons, okay, to share your score. Not this. And this is a quiz loader icon actually, which is with a loader. When the quiz loads, this animation will appear, okay. And result message, also you can set the result message. So let me show what I have written, okay. And from here the pass score must be points, and this is the minimum pass score. So basically, if I give the 10 questions for this quiz, so I will give the minimum passing marks will be 6, okay. So right now I will just add the 6 questions, so I will give the minimum passing marks to 3, okay. So whenever it reaches this 3 threshold, it will give the certificate as well, and his name will appear on the leaderboard, okay. So you can do in that way. So here we have the default message for the pass quiz, which is congratulations, you are passed the quiz. And when the quiz fails, you will have the message, you have not passed the quiz, please try, okay. And these are the some things, just keep these as it is, and here check for the buy points, okay. And remaining will be as it is. Click on save. After that we have this limitation users, and you can set the maximum number of items per user. Right now I am not setting these things, and main thing, we have to only give this quiz to be playable only for the logged in users. Any unknown user or the not registered user will not be able to play this quiz, okay. Either you can give the login form, okay. If you want to show the login form in front of them, you can give, just make sure this box is checked, okay. If not, then make it unchecked, okay. So you can select for only selected user, and limitation count of takers, and password for passing quiz, okay. So just save it. After that, go to the user data. From there, this is the actual information form collecting, okay. A form will appear whenever you will click on it, after quiz or before the quiz, okay. So you can information for the logged in users, and that's it. And here we have the email or certificate. Now you have two options over here. You can send the email to user when he passed the quiz, okay, and you can send the certificate to user, okay. So right now I will just use the send certificate to user on the basis of these points. This type of I haven't implemented the certificate in this type of quiz, okay. So let me show you how to add this. So you can either send the email to user or send certificate to user, okay. So I am not going to use this email, I will use this only to user. I will use the maximum score for the certificate is 5, okay. So whenever he reaches the 5, the certificate will be available in his account page, okay. Right now like this is the download certificate page, okay. He got the maximum 5, so I just set the threshold for this quiz completion, or you can say certificate pass score must be 5 to achieve this certificate, okay. From here you can use the shortcut. This is the shortcut, this is the username, this is the score, and this is the date, okay. So these are some shortcuts for this quiz plugin. And here we have the certificate orientation. So if you want portrait or landscape, so I will use the landscape, okay. You can also set the background image for the certificate, okay, or you can just select the template from this list. So I will select the first, select this template, this design, okay, and we have the vertical as well. So if you send the email to admin, you have to just follow some settings, or you have to do some settings for me. So I haven't enabled this setting right now. Okay, now our certificate is ready. I hope you understand how to create the certificate. Okay, so we'll check the preview of the certificate. So click on generate certificate preview. Open certificate. So it will look like this. Okay, we have the certificate completion. This is the name and the quiz name, the score and the date. Okay, so this was for the certificate, and last we have integration. So these are the different things we haven't implemented these things in the website. Okay, so these are some settings that comes with this quiz, and you have to just understand these settings properly. Okay, if you got these settings, you can easily create a multifunctional or very interactive quiz website if you want to build. Okay, so this was the quiz. Okay, so our first quiz is ready. Now I will show you the next quiz how to create, which will be our true or false quiz. Okay, so first I will show you the 4 quizzes categories that I have created in this website. Okay, I will show you step by step how to create these quizzes. Okay, like a true or false quiz, fill in the blank quiz, and identify image quiz. After that I will add the each with one question, okay, in each quiz. Okay, later on I will add the more questions in it, and I will show you how to add all these quizzes differently in the different pages. Okay, so right now I will show you how to add this true or false quiz, or how to create this true or false quiz. So first of all, this step procedure will be same like we have created here. Let's create the quizzes. We have the general knowledge quiz. Okay, so instead of creating the new, we have to go through the settings from the start to end. So to avoid those settings, we will just duplicate it quiz. Okay, so all the settings we have made for this quiz will be applied in our new quiz. Okay, so the time will be saved. So I'm going to duplicate this quiz. After duplicating, just edit in the new tab and give a name to it. True or false quiz. Okay, so you have to add the instructions in this block. I will keep it as it is. Okay, and the category, let's create the quiz category. So this time I will add the quiz category like true or false. Okay, you can add a description in this. So let me show you what I have written in this category. Okay, there is nothing, and you will see here the questions also gets duplicated, so we'll delete it. We'll insert the new question. Okay, so save this. After that, go to questions. We'll create the first question for the true and false, and also I will duplicate it. This is a duplicate one. I will copy the first question of the true and false to add the true and false like questions. So let me open one question. So let me show you how the question looks like. Okay, so it's simple. We have the question, just paste here. Okay, and this time question type I will select here true and false. Okay, we have direct option to select the true and false. So in this block, this is the first, which is true, and this is the second B, which is false. So we have to select the correct one. So the correct one is this A. Okay, so check out this option A and give a question weight to 1. Select the category, and here also change the question over here. Okay, and click on save. After that we have to select the category from here. Oh sorry, this was the question category, so we don't need to do anything over here. Okay, so our first question is ready, and under these settings, if you want to give a question hint, then you can type here. Okay, and also if you want to give the explanation, you can add here, like we done in the previous question of the GK quiz, and everything will be same. Okay, only the changes will be here, question hint and the question explanation. Right now I am not going to change anything over here. Okay, and that's it. Just click on save. Okay, so this was for the true and false. Now we'll create the third quiz, which will be fill in the blanks. Okay, so refresh it, create I will duplicate it and add this duplicate. Okay, and here fill in the blanks. You have to copy the instruction over here. Category will be fill in the blanks. So let's create the category for this quiz. I will duplicate it, click on edit, and here fill in the blanks. Okay, click on save and close. And just save this. Select the quiz type to fill in the blanks here, category, and styles will be as it is, settings will be the same. Okay, results, if you in the result section, this is the pass score. Okay, so right now I will give here the pass score to 5, and rest of things will be same. And under these certificates, everything will be same in these tabs, and under the certificate I have to give the certificate. So point the certificate pass score will be 6. Okay, so whenever it scores 6, the certificate will be given to this user. Okay, the portrait, and select template, and that's it. Okay, click on save. So we have created the quiz for the fill in the blanks. Now let's create the questions. We have to add a question in this quiz. So we have almost 11 questions in this previous website. I will show you how to add the question. Okay, so let me copy the question first, and here just duplicate the question. Okay, and edit question. Okay, so just paste the question over here. Okay, so you have to just select the question in the fill in the blanks type of quiz, like the Great Wall of Dash is one of the 7 wonders of world. So this is the shortcut for the fill in the blanks. You will get it from here. So let me select it, the question type as the fill in the blanks. Once you select it, you will get this question, this shortcut. Just paste over here. Okay, wherever the question has the fill in the blanks. Okay, so it might be at this point or just at the end of the sentence or anywhere. Okay, so you have to just put this shortcut over there, so it will be automatically create the fill in the blank inside the question. Okay, I will show you when we will set up our quiz pages. Okay, so right now just understand here, the Great Wall of Dash is one of the 7 wonders of world. So in this place we will have the blank space, so where we have to put correct answer. Okay, so the correct answer is China. Okay, we all know. So give weight to 1. Here we will have the 1 field only, and the answer is China. Okay, you can say the placeholder or leave it, and here the question weight will be 1. Also you can insert the multiple okay, not the word. Copy this question and paste over here. Okay, with this shortcut. So I have to understand this type of quiz. Okay, you have to give this correct answer. You have to write answer the correct over here. Okay, and placeholder, if you want to write something here you can type or leave it blank. And under the settings you can enable the user's answer explanation. Okay, you can add the hint, also the explanation. Okay, and the rest of the things will be same. Now I will make it save, and here just refresh it. We will insert the question inside this quiz. Okay, so we have this question. Okay, now click on insert question, click on save. So we forgot to add the question inside the second true and false. This will add it later. Okay, now we'll create the our next quiz, which is identify by image. Okay, so this is also very simple. Let me close all the unnecessary tabs from here. Go to quizzes, from there duplicate any one quiz and edit this quiz. Okay, now give a name it to like identify by image. You can give another name if you have. Also you can add description in this place, and just create the category for the quiz, duplicate it and edit. So okay, so right now here we have one thing. Let me change the category to identify image. Right now we have to show the image. Okay, as you have already seen my website, previous website. Let me show you. This is the identify image. Okay, so when I start, you will see we have this banner or image. The first one is question, the second one is image, and I have given 4 options over here. Okay, so we have to do this exact method. So for that, to add the image, we have to add a question image over here. Okay, so I will add here. So it will look like this. Okay, after that I have to change the question. So here we have created the our identify image quiz. Now remove this question. We have to add another, save it. Okay, now go to questions, and from there select anyone, then duplicate it and edit. Okay, so here in this quiz we have the image, the question, and under it you will see an image, and just below it we have 4 options of the answers. Okay, we have to select the correct one. Okay, so for that this is the question, and we will see add image. So I will add the image from here. You can choose the image whatever you want. After that, inside it just paste the question. Okay, and here you can either do the text, the short text. Okay, here I have given the radio buttons. Okay, means the 4 options I have placed over there for the users to select the correct answers. And let me paste the question over here. So this is the A, and write the option A. Second option, make it C. Third option. Okay, from here add the 4th row, which is D, add the final option. Okay, and the correct answer is Eiffel Tower, so make it correct and I give a point to 1. Okay, and the rest of things will be same. Click on save, and inside the settings you can here give a question hint. Right now I will not give any hint over here, and also you can give the question explanation if you want to show after the results. Okay, and also you can add the background image to quiz. Okay, now click on save it, and here we are created the question for this identify image type of quiz. Now let's insert the question over here. Click on insert, and here we have identify the landmark in the image. Okay, insert questions. Now click on save. Okay, go to the quizzes. Alright, so we have almost created all the quizzes that we want to include in our website. Let me show you those quizzes. Here are the 4 quizzes: general knowledge quiz, true or false, fill in the blanks, and identify image. Okay, the next we will create the individual pages for the each quiz. Okay, so that we can easily interact with the quiz. So You can also add those quizzes in one page, but I'm going to show them in a separate pages. Okay, so go to pages, click on add new. So first page will be general knowledge quiz. Okay, change the canvas to elementor full width. Click on edit with elementor. While it's preparing, okay, I will just copy the quiz shortcut. So we have the shortcut over here. You can see this is the shortcut for this general knowledge quiz. Okay, I will copy it, and here search for the shortcode directly. Okay, and paste here. So you can see that we have the general knowledge quiz front page. Okay, here we have the start button, and right now I will not copy in this way. I will add a container to it, and I want to show the ad just left of this quiz. Okay, so I will make it horizontal, paste. Okay, not the paste, I will make it duplicate, and reduce the now search for the shortcut. I will add a title over here first. Change its font, and also you can just change the color to white. Okay, and okay, that's it. Now I will copy the shortcut. Okay, we have the shortcut over here. Let's copy the shortcut from here. I will paste that shortcut here. Okay, now in this column I will paste an image as a placeholder for the ad. Okay, so either you can keep this ad in this way. Okay, and I will just fix this at the top. I'm showing you the second way to stick the ad just near to this quiz. So here under this sticky, make it sticky at top. Okay, and here if someone will scroll, it will just stick at this place. Okay, in this way. So right now I'm going to implement the ad in this way. Okay, and we will use this whole template for all quiz pages, and I will just copy this text under this container. Okay, and let's add the margin from the bottom 60, and I will add the margin of drop which is 30. Okay, and let's update it. So this is the page for our general knowledge quiz. Similarly, we will create the pages for the rest of our quiz. Okay, So let's create them one by one. I will copy it and we have to just replace this shortcode. So we have the shortcode for the true or false quiz. Okay, update it and close. So here I will use a dynamic tag for the title, which will be a post ID, not the post ID, it's a post title, okay, which means page title. Click on update and the last page is identified by image. Okay, okay, so we have created all the pages for our quiz. Now go to the pages. So let's check whether the page is working well. So this is the fill in the blanks quiz. I will start the quiz and here we have the question. At the top you will see the timer, okay, and we have the options in this style. So don't worry, you can also change the style of these options in the quiz settings. Okay, so as you can see we have implemented only the one question. So if you add minimum 5 to 10 questions, then you can easily understand the working of this quiz plugin. Okay, so we will add these questions later on. Okay, so we have just created all the pages. Now we'll move to the next part, which I will just create a pop-up. Okay, so as you can see that in the previous website I have created this. When you will click this button, a pop-up will appear where we can select the quiz category. Okay, so we will create this pop-up first and we will connect this with this header button. So let's do that. I will simply use the elementor's template, which will be a pop-up builder. Okay, so I will give it a name to select quiz. I don't want the overlay, and also we change the background color, which is the background color of the website. Okay, now add a container, give a padding to it like 20. And I will add another container. Or simply okay, make the first container to, let's add the title first. Which is select quiz. And let's increase the width. Not this, go to settings, and from here you can set the width. I will make it percentage, and make this column to row horizontal directions, and let's add the text first. First of all, let's change background color to gradient. $45, and I will copy this text, paste here. So the first is MCQ, means general knowledge. I will write GK quiz. I will give it to 30 and duplicate it 4 times. Let's add the border corner first. The second is true or false. Let's align this in the center. So you can increase the padding from the top and the bottom, so I will not going to increase them. And change the color of the close button, and here our pop-up is ready. Now let's connect the pages. So select this title, and under this link dynamic tag, internal link, and select content. From there search for general knowledge quiz, so it will show a page. Similarly with it, and the final is fill in the blanks. Okay, so let's publish it and make it save and close. Okay, after that let's open the website. We have to add this pop-up on the start quiz page. So go to Elementor and here we have header. Right now we haven't designed our home page, so we will connect this after getting these all the things. So here is the quiz, and we'll also connect the internal link, which is pop-up, and search for the pop-up, select quiz. Okay, and one thing, we haven't made it compatible for the smaller devices, so let's make it. Enter into the responsive mode. So let's change the width. Okay, and in this mobile mode, it will be automatically arranged in a stack. Okay, so I will just add the margin here, or you can just keep it as it is. Okay, make it update this pop-up and save and close. Let's take a preview bit. So right now it's coming instantly without any animations done delay. So we just add the animation, go to the settings, from here entrance animation, I will use bouncing down. Okay, and exit will be bouncing. Exit will be slide out. Okay, up. Duration 0.600. Refresh this page and click on it again. So right now it shows properly. Can open this GK knowledge. Okay, also you can open the identify image and just start the quiz from here. So in this way you can create the pages for the individual quiz using the shortcuts. It's becomes very easy for us to add them in different pages. Okay, also the plugin provides the shortcut for the leaderboard, so we can directly just copy the shortcut and paste anywhere you want to show those scores. So it's very easy. Next we will create our account page. Okay, or we can also create the leaderboard, but before that let's create the account page. Okay, account page, or you can say my score page, and after that I will create the home page. Okay, so after creating the home page I will show you how to create the navigation. Okay, bottom navigation like this, which will be sticky at the bottom, and here we have implemented already. Okay, and we will implement these two options in the navigation bar, which are account and the leaderboard. Okay, so I will show this once we just design our home page. Before that we will just create our account page. Okay, so let's create that. Click on add new page. Here you can write the title like my score. Okay, so I will just use the my score. Make it elementor full width. Give it a name to as a my score. Okay, and publish it. after that edit with elementor. So here in this my account page, let me show you what we have to add. First we will have this author name, okay, and we will have the tables like this, okay. So we have to show all the 4 tables for the 4 quizzes, as you can see over here, and I will customize or style the tables. So let's add these shortcuts and titles. So here search for the author. This is the author box, okay. So whatever the you set the name while registering this website, the name will appear here, okay. So there is no option to edit the profile, as we can see in the default registration form in the WordPress. It gives us lots of customization options, like changing the password, changing the name, last name, etc. Okay, so right now we are creating the customized score page, so we can't add those details in this page, okay. So here we have the author. After that let's add another container. I will add the container in this so here I will add text. I will simply copy the text from our previously created pages. Just close this dynamic tag, and here the first is GK quiz. I will make it general knowledge quiz. Okay. After that we have to add the table like this. So for this we have the shortcut. Let me show you. Just go under this quiz maker. From there go to quizzes. Here we have okay, so let me clear up one thing. Here you can see quizzes. Under the quizzes we have the whole quiz shortcut, okay. From here, using the shortcut you can only play the quiz. So on which page you want to make it playable. But if you want to show the score, show the scores like this, so we have other options. Go to general settings, and inside these general settings you will find these shortcuts, okay. And here we have n number of shortcuts for the different as corners of this quiz plugin or the quiz website. Just like we have the shortcut for the individual leaderboard settings, okay. Also we have shortcut for the global leaderboard setting. This plugin, this shortcut we are going to use in this website, okay. And we have leaderboard by quiz category, user leader position, user page settings, okay. And here we have the shortcut. You can see here the shortcut, and we have the ID, so your quiz category ID. In this place we have to add the quiz category. Let me, I will show you very quick. But just copy this shortcode and search for the shortcode. paste here. Okay, here you will see that your quiz category ID. So instead you have to open these quiz categories, and from there we have this GK quiz, and this is the category ID, which is 2. So we have to replace that your quiz category with ID 2. Okay, so that's very so it becomes necessary to create the quiz categories. Okay, so in this way you can show your data. Okay, so after that let's create the next. I will duplicate it, and this time fill in the blank quiz. And this time I'm going to just copy the ID for the fill in the blanks quiz, which is 4. It's showing nothing because we have not played this type of quiz in our website. Once you play this, it will show the data over here. Okay, next is true or false quiz. I will copy the ID for true or false, which is 3. And the final is identify by image. And the ID for the is 5. Let's make it compatible in the lower devices. So it is good in a tablet, and also good in the mobile. Okay, so let's update it, and we will add this page in our menu. Here was our account page, which we were created at the start of our video. Okay, right now we don't need this page. I'm going to remove it. I will add another page which we have created right now, which is my score. And let's add the visibility conditions, so it will be only for login users. Save it, and let's take the preview. Here we have my score. If I enter, it will look like this. Okay, so when you will play this all the remaining quizzes for the first time or the multiple times, your all the data that you have like a score or the points will be shown here. So we forget to add a logout button under this my score. We have added, but not added actually, so let's add it. So for that, let's add the logout button, or we have to create the logout button. For that, go to ultimate member, forms, under the settings we have to create the logout page. Okay, so create default. Now go to menu and add the logout page. And let's make the visibility conditions logged in users. Okay, save it. So we have our logout page. Now go to home. Okay, so we have created our MyScore page. Now I will start designing this home page. Okay, and after that I will create the bottom navigation bar showing the two pages, which is my account or MyScore or leaderboard. Okay, so let's start designing this home page. First, let's make the page for the home. So this is the home page, and click on edit and edit with elementor. Add a container. Again add a container, and we have to add first this design, the title. Okay, and after that the text and the button. So this is a very basic home page. It will take hardly 5 to 10 minutes to create. And also I will show you one thing. Add image first. Okay, add the title like this. Adjust the margin for top. Okay, now let's add this button. I will just copy the button from the header, and I will just increase the width. Make it center. Okay, vertically. And here I will use width to custom, and also align stretch. Add some margin in between the upper text. Okay, so we have the design, the text and the button. Just below it we have to show the leaderboard. For that I will add a container in a separate container. Give it a name to leaderboard. which is global leaderboard. And right is it's below we have this global leaderboard. Okay, so I already told you we have to use the shortcut for that. Under this quiz maker, go to general settings, and under these shortcuts you will find the leaderboard options. So we have global leaderboard settings, so just we have to just copy this shortcut. Instead you will see this year, month, date, okay, hours, seconds to etc. It means that the users that played from this date to this date you can show in this global leaderboard. Okay, and also you can set the user count from here, and with you can set from here. Also you can group users by ID or the email, so I'll keep it as ID. Also results by average, and also enable pagination. Okay, and from here you can select the color. So right now and here leaderboard column we have to show the points as well. Okay, now I'll show you. Just copy this shortcut and search for the shortcut, and paste here. Okay, so let's just change the color. I will copy the color from here and save changes, and I will also update it. Okay, so we have our leaderboard here. Right now you can see that it's not compatible for the dark theme. So I have already changed the color by targeting the classes of the different styles for this leaderboard. Okay, so I already told you we just copy the code. Let me show you. Additional CSS we have already added. Here you can see that, and I also mentioned this code in the blog section, so just copy this code, whole code. Okay, so rest of the work you can save your time. Just copy that code and you can directly paste into your additional CSS, so that you can save your time. Okay, and here you can see that we are getting some green text over here. So for that we have to target the class for this table, and we have to make the text white. Okay, so right now I have done for this previous account. You can see that still we have this green text. So you can also change the text by finding the class name. Okay, so it's very easy steps for your site. You can do this. Okay, and rest of things I have done like show, but okay, you can see that this is the text. Also you will see that this text, okay, all the labels are turned to white. If you are creating this website in the light mode, so you don't need to change anything from the backend. Okay, just paste the shortcuts and your work will be done. So we almost designed our home page. So I haven't added any much contents in our design page. So if you have an idea, you can also add or you can customize your home page in a very beautiful manner. And also told you how to grab the shortcuts from here. You will find a number of shortcuts for the different things. Okay, and I introduced you the best settings and the best features of that plugin, so that you can create your own quiz website. Okay, this is a basic website actually I have shown you. You can modify this website in a better way, and you can also easily earn through this website if you have a good strategy. So finally we just finish this homepage. Okay, after that I will not design the bottom navigation bar. I will just simply design the footer. Okay, so this is the very simple footer. It will take 5 to 10 minutes as well. Okay, for that we have to create these pages: privacy policy, disclaimer, and terms and conditions. Okay, so let's create our footer first, and we will jump to the final part of the website, which is bottom navigation bar. Okay, so let's design our footer area. So I will simply create the footer using theme builder of the Elementor. From here let's open this using Elementor. So let's add a container. Okay, we have container already, so I will simply make this containers direction to horizontal, so that we can have 3 columns. As you can see, our website has 3 column layout footer area. Okay, in the first we have about section, in the middle we have social buttons, and in the last we have this subscribe form. Okay, this subscribe form. Okay, so first I will add a logo in this. Let me duplicate it. In the middle we need a very small width column, and also okay, let's add the padding, and I will add the logo. Okay, I will copy text from here. Let's change its typography. And I will little bit increase the font weight. In the middle we have social icons. They are in vertical format, so we will select here column 1, and also we'll decrease the size. I will make it round, and in the last we have subscribe form, so I will simply use the form that we have. From here I will remove this name and also message, and I will also remove the label. I will add a title, to subscribe. Okay, let's change the color. So we have this color in our field. So just below it we have to add some pages like privacy policy, disclaimer and terms and conditions. So first of all, let's change the color of it. Background color of this footer. And we'll also add the copyright text just below it. So here I will just copy it. Align it at the center. Give it some padding. Select the text. Change color to white, and also will change the font width, font, and also font width, and I will make it text too. Okay. Right now I will publish, and then we'll add some pages to it like privacy policy. Okay, so we have privacy policy page, but it's in a draft, so I will make it published. The second page we have to add is disclaimer. And the third is terms and conditions. Just make it save and draft, because we have to refresh this page. Now search for the name. I will this time select the default WordPress menu. Okay, first let's create the menu for that links which we have to show on the footer. So create new and give it name to policy links. Click on view all, add the pages. First privacy policy, disclaimer, and the last is TNC. Save it and refresh it again. So we have to modify some styles for this. From here I will use the text only, pointer, okay, and the animation will be none. Go to style, and I will change the hover color to this primary, and also normal color to white. Go to typography, from there change font to Just. Okay, now make it 16. After that I will just on this divider, style will be solid, and I will change color to white, and active color will be primary. Okay, remove some extra margin from the left. Now enter into the responsive mode. From here select it and make it none. Okay, now enter into the mobile portrait. Here just increase the size of the logo, and so right now I have to show only the subscribe form and this about. So right now also you can show all of this, so I will just change this layout to the horizontal. Here I will set the column to 3rd or 3. Increase the size, spacing. I will make it margin to 10. Also from here the horizontal padding, remove the margins, okay. So it's good in a response in the mobile view as well. And this is desktop view. Now let's publish it, and we'll add a condition to enter site and save. So let's take the preview. So our footer is ready. Now let's start designing our bottom navigation bar or bottom navigation. So let's make this home page compatible to our mobile. Click on edit with Elementor. Now let's enter into the responsive mode. It will be good in the tablet, but the issue with this mobile view. Let's extend it. If you will not change or reduce the size of this text, so it will the website will not look completely in our mobile phone. Okay, some part of this home page will go down. Okay, so we have to show the start quiz, and these main focus is the start quiz. We have to show the start quiz just in front of the screen. Okay, so let's reduce the size. Okay, 20 also. Okay, so now it looks good. Okay, click on update. Just close these tabs. We just left one thing, which is the bottom navigation for our mobile menu. Okay, so it will look like this. Let me show you the preview. So we have these options: account and leaderboard at the bottom. For that, it's very easy to create. Just go to home page and click on edit with elementor. Here, add a container. First, just design your bottom navigation over here, and it should be responsive in mobile view. Okay, because we have to show only this navigation in the mobile phone, so there are not importance of this navigation bar in the desktop and the tablet. Okay, so add a container, change direction to horizontal, horizontal, duplicate it, or simply first add heading, not heading, I will add icon box, this. Give it a padding. Change the background color to gradient and make the angle to 45. To the styles, change the icon color to white, also the content color to white, and this actually don't need this, so I'm going to remove it. Now let's adjust the spacings. We'll change this icon size. And give it an heading to my account. Go to content and change the font to Yoast, and also reduce the margin or spacing. Okay, make it at the center. Just copy it and paste here, and here we have leaderboard. You can say the leaderboard in this form or icon. You can select this icon or this for the leaderboard. Change its name to leaderboard. Okay, now just enter into the mobile portrait. So here you can see that it's stacked, but right now we don't want to stack this just one above the other. We have to show in line. Okay, for that select this and make it 100%. Similarly make 100. Okay, now just reduce the width percentage so that these two will be fit just one after the other. Okay, okay, now they are in the center. Now just click on it and go to advanced. We have to set the responsive conditions. We have to show only in the mobile, so I will hide the other two views, which are desktop and tablet. Okay, now let's add the internal pages. Under this link and make it internal pages. From there select the content and type my score, and from here, so right now we have the leaderboard. So right now we have our leaderboard on the home page, so we haven't created a separate page for that, but in this case it's necessary to create a separate page for the leaderboard. Okay, so that we will hide this leaderboard from the home page, and it will show separately in the another page. Okay, so let's add a new page, which is leaderboard. So don't worry, we will just copy the shortcut from the home page and we will paste exactly. So let's open this. I will just copy the content exactly from this page and our page will be ready. So copy it and paste here. Okay, so we have to do nothing other than this. So let's update it, close this and update this page again, and I will refresh the page. Okay, now go to the responsive mode, select this leaderboard, select the internal link and content, search for leaderboard. Now click on update. Now we have to hide this in the mobile view. And we have to do one thing over here. So select this, go to advanced. Under this motion effects, we have to make it sticky at the bottom. So we have to make it sticky on desktop, tablet and mobile. Just click on update. Now let's take the preview of the website. Enter into the responsive mode. As you can see that our footer over this navigation bar is ready, but and sticky at the bottom, but we have to make it sticky just below this copyright text or this subscribe button form. Okay, for that we have to make CSS changes. We have to make bottom to 0. So it's very easy to perform. Now enter into the responsive mode and give a class name to it, which is bottom now. Okay, now copy it and either you can add a custom CSS here, or you have two options, this custom CSS, or you can directly add these CSS in this customize, where you have to put this code in the additional CSS. So right now I will just use this custom CSS box, paste and make the bottom to 0. Okay. Now update and let's check the preview. Okay, our navigation bar is still visible. One second, let me open this in incognito mode. Did you notice that this leaderboard is still visible on the home page, although we have just hide it? Let me see what's going on here. Okay, we forgot to hide this in the mobile desktop, sorry, in mobile. Okay, now let's check. Okay, so we have bottom 0 and the position is fixed. Okay, and click on update, so our problem will be solved. So if you open this website in your mobile, it will show correctly. Okay, right now it's overlapping the contents, the containers. Okay, but don't worry, it will work in the mobile correctly. So we just finished our final part, which was the navigation, auto navigation. Thanks for watching this video till end. In the next video I will back with another interesting tutorial. Okay, so till then, goodbye, take care.